Today in this video, I will show you how to set up Mimu Shop. We created this video back in 2022, but it's time to make a latest updated video now. Let's get started. The first step is go to MimuBot's website and invite the bot. The link will be in the video's description. If you already have the bot, then skip this step. After the bot is in your server, all that's left is bot perm. By the way, there's timestamps. Pick any part you like. Right now, I'm giving admin perm to the bot. But you don't have to, but make sure to enable right perms in the channel. Another thing is, since we are setting up a shop, we need products, right? I have made these two rolls called cookies and ice cream, which I will sell later. Make sure these two rolls don't have any dangerous perms whatsoever, because they will be given to normal members. Since rolls are done, now create a separate Mimu Shop channel, otherwise, people will spam things in your chat and other channels. Honestly though, I've not given send message perm to any channel except for the staff members though, because I will make the second channel where people can run commands. This channel is only to display the shop. Before we start off, I want to show you my new custom-made server currency coin. Let me know if you want me to make a tutorial video on how to make it. Now, let's get started for Real, shall we? We need to set up our currency. You can use any emoji here as long as it is in your server. I am using my custom-made currency. The second command is about start currency. Sets a specified amount of currency to be added to a user when they join the server. I am doing 400 here. You can do any amount you want. Now /set currency pet. This thing sets the cooldown, minimum amount, and or maximum amount for the /pet command. You can copy the amount that I'm writing, or you can do your thing. Now, let's do snuggle command. You can skip this if you want to. Basically, you can snuggle anybody. This command sets the cooldown, minimum amount, and or maximum amount for the /snuggle command. Now for currency bet. This one sets the min and or max amount of currency that can be bet in gambling commands. To be honest, pet, snuggle seem the same. It's just 3 different activities. As for currency click cake, this command sets the cooldown and or amount earned per click for the /click cake command. Now we will do pick command, but before that we need to set a channel. I will suggest you to set this in your main chat channel. Basically, first, I thought you need to go to that specific channel and run this command there. But I think you can do it anywhere since you can select the channel. Now, let's run pick command settings. It's super similar to the commands like snuggle, start, and all that we ran previously. Here, you can keep the speed medium. It also gives you the option if one person can pick or multiple can, you can choose anything you want. Now finally, we'll do the shop setup since the foundation is over. In shop name, write the product name. Write the price you want. In stock section, if you want unlimited, then write 0. Or you can put any number. Since we have already created separate roles for this, we can add cookie roll. Add a really cool product description. I've made this one. Now add something in the reply section so that the bot will say this after the role is given to the person. Now you might be wondering, how will anybody buy this? Use /shop view command. Here, select the product you want. We added only one product, so there's no other option though. Let's get cookie. We didn't just get the product, but our balance was also updated. Now we will add ice cream product. It's pretty much all the same. The difference here is we will try different stuff. Like require role, we will add verify role here. You can also add disable role, where someone with ban role can't use this. Now someone with verify role can only use this command or buy the product. Skipping ahead, I've purchased ice cream here and my balance was decreased -4,000. Let's check the profile. Looks like I got both the roles. This probably won't work on you if you're the owner of the server with higher perm than Mimu. If you wish to try it out, do it on your alt account with no owner perm. Guess what? You can also do this without adding any roll here. This is a new product taco, by the way. Well, I tried to buy it, but sadly I am broke. Now we can add other products to an autoresponder and need to add it in shop. Right now I've created Starbucks shop. You can create anything you want like KFC or McDonald's. This was the first AR, the second AR is about the food item. We will add Frappuccino. Here I added an AR, then added image link and modify ball -200, which means it will cost them money every time they order this. We will add the third product croissant. Everything is pretty much the same like Frappuccino. You just need to change the name, that's all. In match mode, add start with. Now check my balance is 42.65. Let's buy a Frappuccino now. This thing cost 200. But first I'll run Starbucks command. It will ask me to buy either of the two products. For starters, I will buy for pay. See what happens now. Isn't this the coolest thing? Now check my balance. 200 has decreased. Now, let's try with croissant. I hope you got the drill. This is one of the ideas I gave you. You can come up with anything you want. Now this begs the question, how will people make the money to spend it? Here's a basic AR I can show you. Let's make an AR where if your member exercises, they will get paid. Remember last time I wrote modify ball -200? This time it's +100 because you will pay them instead of taking money. Let's add user_balance so people will know their balance. Now, let's run this command. And as you can see, our balance has increased. Now I am sure you don't want people to simply spam this command and make millions. For that, we need to add a cooldown. Use /autoresponder edit reply since we are editing this script. Just add a cooldown. This is in seconds. I added 60, which means 60 seconds or 1 minute. You can add any time you want, but just convert it to seconds. Now I will just try to spam this command over and over to see what happens. When it ran it for the second time, it stopped us. Isn't that cool? Now I will show you some high-quality autoresponder activities that you can use. There are various new variables we can use like range, which means you can get between 500 to 5,000, and there are several stuff. You don't need to rack your brain for this. Just copy and paste it if you want to use. I will run this command now. The currency given to me, aka the money I stole from the bank, was pretty much randomized. Now I am making another AR activity, but it's different from the last one. It's like a small game. Let's just run this command. There we have it. Now shout out to these people who made these advanced autoresponders that I just showed you. And this is Mimu support server. You can join them if you face any problem while setting up the bot. Now, if you want the commands that I ran in this video, simply join my Discord server and find a channel called Bot Commands. It's a new channel. You will find it easily under server layouts. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. If you like this tutorial video, hit the like and subscribe button because it helps the channel. And also Happy New Year 2026!